Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to protect your computer from virus using Kaspersky Anti-Virus 2019. Here you can see here the interface of the Kaspersky Anti-Virus. So how to protect them. So we go to the settings here and to the protections. So here the module that the app has, that is file antivirus, web antivirus. For the web antivirus, I turn off it because the internet will get slower because they scan the link one by one. So we need to turn it off. But if you want to turn it on, yes, you can turn it on, but the internet will get slower because they scan the link one by one. Okay, so it's a blocker for the network attack. So the system watchers here, the IM, the messages, the emails, and something like this for malicious and phishing links, and the mail, yes, for the email, yes. And the performance here, you can use the gaming mode, so you can use the resources. Also, you can prevent the infections. So the scan here, so you can see here. So you can have the exclusion, which to exclude the files or folder from this app to scan on it, and the self defense, the network settings. Okay, so we see the network settings here. You can monitor all the ports. You can disable the script, inject the scripts. The script, if you enable this, it will scan the web traffics, and this will make the internet much slower than before. Okay, the normal speed. And okay, so you can scan, okay, using the full scan will scan all the folders in the computers, on your computers. The quick scan is more faster scan. It scan the particular place and directories. So if scan, yes, you can select which directories you want to scan, or your pen drive. Yes, for the pen drive, you get the external device. Okay, so you can also update the database here. You can run the updates. Yes, you can see here they connect to the servers. You can update the database for the virus, for the virus, Trojan, or anything. Yeah, you get it. It will update on that. Okay, so here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you can get the information that you want to get for the apps, for the software. Okay, so you updated. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Thank you.